Hello everyone, welcome back to another math class. This is Napasi speaking. Here is your another beautiful math. A train. There is a two train, express train and a normal train. You know, express train usually faster than the normal train. What is the question? The express train travel 10 km per hour faster and take 30 minutes less time the normal train, and two train travel along 160 km. The track is 160 km long. So what is the question? Find the speed of the express train, the faster one. So at first we don't know the speed of normal train, so let the normal train speed so normal train speed equals to x kilometer per hour kilometer per hour. You know what is the express train speed? It is 10 km per hour faster than the normal train. That means x plus 10. So express train speed equals to x plus 10. It is a typing mistake. Anyway, no problem. 10 km faster, x plus 10. You know what is the relationship between and the speed time distance? Speed equals to distance over time, right? So we will use it. So time equals to speed, distance over time. It would be my mistake, and again distance over speed. And what is the distance? Both train distance is 160 km. It is 160. What is the speed? It is x. And for the express train speed, x plus 10, and so time equals to distance over speed. Now what is the distance? Same, 160. And what is the speed? X plus 10, right? And what is the question clue? Both train, the express train faster and takes 30 minutes less time than the normal train. That means a normal train speed minus express train speed equal half hour. 30 minutes means half hour, right? Here minute to hour conversion, 30 minute over 60 minute hour, you know. So 30 divided 60, that is half hour. We need to convert it because the speed unit is kilometer per hour. By the way, for a better understanding, you need to watch all of my previous videos in this chapter in order. Go to playlist and select the specific topic. Okay, LCM them, x and x plus 10. x plus 1600 minus 160x equal half times x plus 10, that is x square plus 10x. You understand? Cross multiplication. 160 should be cancelled. So 1600 times 2, the right side half, it is 2, cross multiplication, it is 3200, and rearrange them in a side, x square plus 10x minus 3200. Factorize this quadratic equation. 3200, right? It is a big, so use your calculator to find out the x value. I am using the calculator. So if there is a 2 values, you can use any calculator, but the IB student, you need a better calculator which is supported to the graph also. Anyway, so speed never negative, so x equals to 51.8. So what is the question? X plus 10 is speed. The x plus 10 is speed equals to x plus 10, that is 51.8 plus 10, which is 61.8 kilometer per hour. This is our answer. Thank you very much.